Good morning. We're back in a familiar location to get the final part of this project going. Homeowners have done some planting in these beds that we built. They look really sharp. Guys are getting tool trailer and stuff situated. We've got to get in here today, prep a couple of places for the dirt that's going to wind up coming out of here. We'll start laying this thing out, making our cut and doing the initial dirt work through here, getting everything prepped and ready for Monday when the pool is supposed to be delivered, and it will be a busy day. We got our bulk of our cut done. Pool's supposed to be delivered Monday. Crane is rolling in for the pool delivery. It's going to happen here shortly. Pool doctors is here. They came in, got their excavator dropped off. Pretty much all that's going to happen today is we're going to work a little bit of dirt down, dress some stuff up, get the pool offloaded, and that'll be about it. Here we go. Pool's rolling in. It's going to be an awesome one. Stay tuned.